Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Note your current DNS, IP, and gateway so you can revert. On a device, open network settings. On a router, log in to its admin page. Once done, choose static versus DHCP settings carefully because DHCP may overwrite manual changes. Enter primary 8, 8, 8, 8 and secondary 8, 8, 4, 4 in the DNS fields. Make sure to save or apply. Then reboot the device or router so new resolution takes effect. You now configure the middle steps. On Windows, use Network Adapter Properties IP4. On Mac OS, go to Network Advanced DNS. On mobile, edit Wi-Fi Network DNS or use a private DNS option on Android. On the router, replace ISP DNS in WAN or DHCP settings so every device inherits Google DNS. After saving, run ping or enslookup against a domain to verify resolution. If results are slow, clear DNS cache and retry, then confirm consistency. You finish by verifying and addressing problems. Use dig or enslookup to confirm queries. Hit 8, 8, 8, 8, and browse several sites to ensure no breaks. If something fails, make sure your saved backup settings let you revert quickly and compare response times between ISP DNS and Google DNS to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: flush local DNS cache and restart router. Often that clears stale entries or DHCP conflicts that prevent Google DNS from being used.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.